Sasha slots here. We got the wheel feature, 20-cent denom, $15 bet. Let's see what we can get. Come on, baby. Oh. Okay, mega hat. I was almost gonna be mad at the miner until I saw it was 1,000. All right, let's go. Give me the big one. Oh, I want that one. Oh, I want that one. that one. Damn it. That one. Son of a gun. That one. Yes, you guys. Yes. Come on now. This could be nice. Oh, there we go. I was going to say, unless I hope get any hats. Come on, baby. I need 5 golds. Come on, baby. Hit me. Oh, you bugger. Come on, right here. There we go. Come on, give me some. There we go, we got 1 gold. I need 4 more. Come on, right here. 2 spins to go. Oh, you bugger. Come on. Retreat me. Well, we got 2. That's all it takes. Get us that major so we can go home. I need some coins. Coins. No coins. Black bastard. Come on, give me some coins. Alright. You know I don't know how much that is. What, $150 or something? Oh, $767. Oh, that's funny. Alright, y'all. Hashtag Sasha Slot. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll talk to you soon. Y'all, look at this. 50-cent denom, $75 bet. That was my second spin after I left it here. Look how many hats we got. Come on, baby. Retrig me. Come on, baby. This could be major if you just do me right. I need hats. Come on, retrig me, baby. Come on, retrig me. Oh my God, I need 4 golds at least. Oh, it's gonna do me wrong. Come on. Oh, retrig me. Oh, that is so wrong. Oh my God. Oh, I was robbed, y'all. Oh, I was so robbed. Oh, it hurt my feelings. Oh, it hurt my feelings so bad. Give me a coin at least then. 300. Oh, wait a minute. What? It's over 1,000 now, I believe. 1,050? 1,087. Oh, okay. My feelings aren't hurt too bad anymore, but I should have got 6 million off of that. Hashtag Sasha Slot, y'all. Talk to you later.